Thanks for tuning in to the Finance News Network. I'm Jessica Amir. Joining me now from Portland in the United States is Audinate Group CEO Lee Ellison. Hi Lee, and welcome back.
Hi Jessica, it's nice to be here.
So first up, for those that don't know, Audinate Group supplies hardware and software to the audio-visual market. How is the company progressing?
Yeah, everything's been going very well. Thank you for asking. At Audinate, we've been pioneering the future of AV, and by that we mean the audiovisual industry. And we make a technology which we call Dante, which has become the global de facto standard for the professional AV industry. What it does is it allows you to send signals using a standard computer network that are high quality, low latency, and perfectly synchronized, eliminating the need that you might have for analog connectivity. At the end of the day, this makes the systems a much more flexible system with higher quality.
Thanks, Lee. Now to the first half 2019 results. A good set of numbers. Congratulations. Just take us through the highlights.
Yeah, the core audio business continues to grow, and we've seen strong historic growth in revenue and units shipped. In the first half of this fiscal year, we had 59% growth in terms of the units of chips, modules, and cards, and our software shipments increased by 22%. The benefit of having our technology inside a manufacturer's products is it creates this ecosystem of interoperable products. And so it really creates this network effect. And the result is now that there are over 1,751 products from various manufacturers that all talk Dante with our networking technology inside. In terms of financial results, during the first half of FY19, revenues grew to $14.2 million Australian, and in terms of US dollars, revenues grew to 10.3 million. That's a 51% growth year over year in comparable period. The earnings before income taxes and depreciation grew to 1.7 million, and the net profit after tax was 800,000.
Thanks, Lee. Now to your products. What's been the market response, starting with Dante Domain Manager?
Audinate began shipping our Dante Domain Manager software in the second half of FY18. Dante Domain Manager is a complete network management tool that provides grouping of devices, network security, and role-based security that gives better scalability and management for a Dante system. As part of our growth initiatives, we've been expanding our sales and marketing channel to sell both the Dante Domain Manager and Dante AVO products. And so during the past fiscal period, we've expanded sales and marketing support in multiple countries, including the United States, Germany, and China.
And what can you tell us about Dante AVO?
So as part of our prospectus, we talked about 3 growth initiatives. One of those was extending Dante to be incorporated into legacy installations. And so to do that, we developed a family of adapters, which we call Dante AVO. And Dante AVO are cost-effective adapters that allow you to get in and off of a system and connect Dante to it without a complete retrofit. So this is an example of our Dante AVO adapters. It allows you to connect Dante on this end, analog on this end. So if you have existing brownfield installations of amplifiers or powered speakers, you can easily add them to the Dante network. Sales for the Dante AVO started in May and have been much better than we expected.
And can you give us an update on Dante AV Module?
Yeah, we're very excited about the Dante AV system solution. So we launched 2 products recently at a trade show in Amsterdam at Integrated Systems Europe. Integrated Systems Europe is attended by about 70,000 people. And at the show, we launched our Dante AV Module, which allows for HDMI signals to be transported over a data network in the same way that we do audio. So if you look back, we have, when we talk about the AV industry, there's both an audio and video component to it. And with Dante AV, you'll be able to connect up a video system the same way as you do audio. Some of the examples of use cases for that will be things like sports bars or casinos or shopping centers or video display walls or education, presentation, courtrooms, or conference rooms. So the model that we're going forth with is very similar to what we've done in the audio networking space and selling this solution to the original equipment manufacturers.
And just lastly, Lee, is there anything else that you wanted to add?
Dante AV really changed the landscape, and it really doubles our addressable market, going now from a 400 million addressable market to over $1 billion addressable market. We're very proud that we've developed this technology that's become an industry leader and a technology that's been spawned out of Australia. And so we're very optimistic about the future and appreciate the opportunity to share that with you today.
Lee Ellison, thank you so much for your time and congratulations on another great half.
Thanks, Jessica.